Thank you for joining the channel. My name is Pixel Preacher. I go by Travis. Thank you so much for joining us today. The reason I've put this channel together is to help you get more comfortable with ChatGPT and other large language models and just to have some fun with it. And later on, I have some tips and tricks that I've learned along the way to help you do things better and faster so you can do more with those who you love and what you love. All right, let's jump in. So is ChatGPT safe? Yes. In my opinion, and from what I've used, what I've learned over this last year and more, is studying these and using these various tools, mainly ChatGPT, but also some others I'll get into on this channel. I have found them to become more and more reliable and more easier to interact with. For instance, you used to have to go on the internet only and chat and type in something. If you didn't have a subscription, then you weren't even able to use certain things. I think even at the time of this recording, they may have opened up some of the customized ChatGPTs to folks as well that don't even have an account. I have a paid subscription. It's been worth it for me. I needed to do that in order to create the customized ChatGPTs way back when I started. But is it safe? Yes. It can be used on a multiple of devices, and I'll get into that in another module here. But for this lesson, is it safe? Yes. It also has something called two-factor authentication, which essentially means that there's two ways in which you essentially say who you are. You go with your password, and then it also sends a text or can call your number and give you the 6-digit PIN that you essentially put in each time if that's what you choose to do. And even if you don't have what is the subscription model, if you have something that is not a paid subscription, just don't put in that kind of information, just like you wouldn't in your family. If you had family business, you didn't want it getting outside of your family, you wouldn't say it to your neighbors or even some of your friends, or you keep it in your friend's circle. Don't put that kind of information inside of here, as it does train on some of that and it can be sent back to the company. But what I found is I'm doing a bunch of different articles or documents or something, and I don't want to put the name of it, or I want to put something in there that I don't want to put something, but I want to remain, or I can go back as a placeholder. I use TBD, to be determined. So when I go through the document, I can find all those to be determineds and I can put in the right information. So is ChatGPT safe? Yes, it is. With the two-factor authentication, with it being on iOS and with iPhone has been very well known for going through safety checks and everything before it goes on the apps. So yes, ChatGPT is safe. Thanks so much. I'm Pixel Preacher. You have a great day. We'll see you in the next one.